Hello everyone, thank you for checking out my video today. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chris and today's video is all about the Serengeti Danny Sunglasses. So these are really pretty cool. We're going to tell you all about them today. I'll tell you all about their fit, their features. We'll show you some close-ups. Hopefully you'll have a good idea what these glasses are going to be all about. So again, thank you very much for watching today. If you're new here to the channel, please stick around to the end of the video. I'll tell you all about this channel, what you can find here, because sunglasses is just a small part of what we do here, but it's an important part and actually a really nice part of my channel. And yeah, stick around. We'll tell you all about the channel, what you can find here, how you can find things, and hopefully this channel can become a really good resource for you, especially if you're into all different types of outdoor activities. Okay, so we'll talk about all that stuff in a little bit. Let's just get into these glasses. So this is a really cool pair of sunglasses from Serengeti. They are another really great high quality frame here. Their lenses are known to be some of the best in the world. Their lenses are really great. This particular pair of sunglasses right here is using the 555 mineral polarized silver mirrored lens, and it has a nice shiny black acetate frame. This particular pair of sunglasses I kind of would characterize as just that classic type look. Just a nice pair of like rock star sunglasses or something. Very cool. They are definitely a nice style frame here. They are a rather heavier frame on this one here. The mineral glass lenses are going to be a heavier type lens compared to, you know, a polycarbonate, the plastic lenses, right? Your glass lenses are going to typically be more weight, but they're also going to give you the best optics, the best clarity, and definitely going to be a little more stronger, scratch resistant, and overall they are a premium choice, you know, for great sunglasses. This particular pair of sunglasses here is available in several other different models, you know, with different colored frames and lens choices. So this one is just very cool. It's just a classic, you know, black frame, and it has that silver mirror here in the front. So I'm going to be doing another video here very shortly, all about Serengeti's lenses, where I compare all the different colored lenses and what you see through them and what the differences are, which ones are better for bright light, for lower light conditions, and the whole bit. So please check that out, because I don't want to get too much into all that here, because we'll be here for an hour. This video, I really just want to show you the frames and how they fit and how they look. All right, so this pair of Danny sunglasses from Serengeti is considered to be a large fit from Serengeti. They are a little bit bigger. They definitely are. I have a couple other pair of sunglasses in this same style. For example, the Dilio kind of looks kind of similar to this. And I also have the Positano, which is very similar to this. And both of those frames are a little bit smaller than this one. Now, both of those, the Delio and the Positano, are also available in what they would call the Delio Large or the Positano Large. So those larger frames in that style probably going to be very comparable to this one here, all right? But in the standard Delio, the standard Positano, they are just slightly smaller than the Danny here. All right, so I let you get a close-up look here, a little bit better look. You can see them from the sides and from the front. A very nice pair of sunglasses. These particular black frames also have just that little silver touch, right? The little kind of designer silver touch here on this side and on this side of the frame. Just adds a little extra character to it. Looks pretty cool. Definitely nice. the lenses themselves here, as I said, are the glass, so they are a little bit heavier. And overall, this pair of sunglasses with the glass lenses in them weighs 46 grams or 1.65 ounces. All right, so they are a little heavier. It's a solid pair of sunglasses here. I mean, they're not crazy heavy. I have many other pairs of sunglasses from both Serengeti and Maui Jim, Costa Del Mar, that are all around that same, 40, 45, 46 grams. Yeah, this one is very similar. Okay, so definitely, a solid pair of sunglasses here. A little bit larger size. For me, I think these are a little bit big. I typically have that medium to medium large fit. Fits me really nice. Depends on the style, it depends on the model, but for me, the medium to large fit me really well. This one is a large. I can get away with it, but I think it is just a little bit large for me. So just, keep that in mind. Now, the overall dimensions of this here, we have a 54 millimeter frame from left to right. A 54 millimeter lens from left to right here. It's a 24 millimeter nose bridge, so it's actually a pretty big nose bridge here. The height of the lens is 42 millimeters from top to bottom. And the temple arm length here is 145 millimeters. So a nice size frame. And from hinge to hinge, from side to side, hinge to hinge here across the front, we're 135 millimeters. Now this pair of glasses also has a base curve of 6. So you can see here it actually sits pretty flat, okay? Base curve of 4 is almost flat. Base curve of 6 has a little bit of that curve to it, just a little bit. And a base curve of 8 would be your standard kind of wrap style sunglasses that kind of come around your face a little bit more and block out a little more light from the sides. A base curve of 6 like this has is a very typical, very common base curve for this style of sunglasses, and you have some room on the sides here for some light to enter, but it's not going to be a big factor for you. These lenses all have hydrophobic and oleophobic coatings on them, which means that they will help to resist water as well as dirt, dust, grease, things like that. So that's really nice because they can be cleaned and wiped off really easily. Those coatings help to block all those materials from embedding into the lens and sticking to it and getting dirty. Now in the case, you get a nice little case here when you buy them. This opens up like this, and inside you get a little cleaning cloth in the package here, as well as a little booklet, pamphlet, information thing, warranty, care guide, all that's in here. But what I want to point out here with this is on the front here you'll see a little 3 to 3 it says. And basically what that means is that it's explaining Serengeti's lenses are what's called photochromic lenses. They have the ability to get darker in brighter light and then lighten in less, lighting conditions, lower lighting conditions. The change is minimal, but they do change. And I have a whole nother video here on this channel all about Serengeti lenses and their photochromatic capabilities. So please check that out. I don't want to spend an hour on it here, but check that out because it's really interesting how these lenses change. So you'll know what to expect, how much the change is, and how effective they really are. So that's a pretty interesting video. But anyway, I just wanted to show you that, they give you a cleaning cloth with it in the box, so it's nice to help keep your lenses clean. Now, the other thing I want to mention to you about the lenses is on the back of the lens, they have an anti-reflective coating. And that is a really great feature to have, and it's a feature that's often overlooked because you don't see the reflections. So you don't even think about it, and what's not there you don't miss, right? You don't think about it when it's not there. But trust me, that anti-reflective coating on the back is a great feature, because without it, you can get reflections off of your cheeks in bright light inside your glasses. I've even had like lines, like halos from my bridge of my nose shining through the lenses, and these cheaper pairs of sunglasses. And it's terrible. It's really distracting, and it's just horrible to look through it when you see like your reflections of your cheeks inside your lenses when you're trying to see through. So really, really nice. They have these anti-reflective coatings in it. So Serengeti lenses are known for their photochromatic capabilities. They're also very well known for their what they call spectral control, which is basically a way that the lenses help to enhance certain colors, improve color, contrast through them, and it also helps to eliminate some harsh wavelengths of light that really cause extra stress and fatigue on your eyes. So that eliminates all that. So really nice. Also have great polarization. So the polarization helps to reflect the glare, right? When you're driving and the sun's reflecting off of other cars, off the windshields, off of glass windows and buildings, perhaps even off the road, off of sand, off of water. Okay, any of those harsh reflections that come at you when you're squinting because it's just hard on your eyes, the polarization helps to reduce that greatly. So overall, all these qualities really help to keep your sunglasses really comfortable on your eyes. They're also reducing UV, okay? So they're 100% like UV protectant as well. So all of these features really create a view that's really stress-free, comfortable, very color enhanced and contrast enhanced, that's just really great to look through. So a great pair of sunglasses here. Okay, so yeah, basically, we've talked a lot about all this pair of sunglasses here. Again, I just kind of want to wrap it up. I'll give you some close-up views. I've been showing you pictures in the background of these glasses, different angles. And the last thing I would just want to mention to you is the nose bridge here. There are no like rubber pads or anything on the nose bridge. It's just simply the acetate frame here that they mold into a little bridge on the nose. It is very comfortable, however. And the temple arms, as it comes back down behind your ears and stuff, there are no rubber pads or anything there either. So they are very comfortable. They feel great. But just keep that in mind, because if you are sweating, if they should get wet, I don't know if you're wearing them out and you get a fast thunderstorm or shower or something and you still have your glasses on, but if they get wet, they may tend to get a little slippery. Okay, so they could slip and slide with this very smooth plastic type of frame. However, I will tell you that these frames, backed by the temple arms where it wraps behind your ears, they're actually angled in a little bit, and they have a nice little angle that kind of hooks back over your ears nicely. So they really are held in place nice. They don't move too far. They're not going to go flying off your face. I just wanted to mention that because some pairs of sunglasses that are designed for more activity, for more sports, right, will have rubber tips on them to help grip and hold on to your face a little bit better, to hold them in place. This particular pair of sunglasses, or most, I should say, most pairs of sunglasses from Serengeti are really designed more for looks, for a designer look, a really nice, classy pair of sunglasses, rather than sunglasses for sports, for high output activities, for trail running or mountain biking and volleyball and stuff like that. Can you wear them for that? Sure, right? But they're not really designed for that. They're actually designed a lot for driving, for drivers. So just a nice, casual, great pair of sunglasses for everyday use. Very comfortable, really nice view through them. Just all around, really, really high quality sunglasses here from Serengeti. Okay, so we're going to wrap it up here. I hope you got a good idea of what these glasses are all about. Again, thank you very much for watching the video today. If it helped you out, if you enjoyed the video, please hit the little thumbs up there, the like button. Subscribe to the channel. I really do appreciate your support. And take some time and take a look around. So as I mentioned, if you're new here to the channel, we typically talk about outdoor apparel. Things like jackets, base layers, pants. We get into some boots, backpacks, sunglasses, a bunch of Yeti products, as well as Epic water filters, which is a company that makes special little filters that can go in your water bottles that you can take on all your adventures. So whether you're out camping, hiking, or walking the dog around the park, or just going to work at the office and you have a water bottle and you want nice, healthy, safe drinking water, please check out Epic water filters. I have a link in the video's description here below, and I have a discount code as well for you. So really nice stuff there as well. But as I said, we typically look at all different types of apparel. This channel is linked to a website that I have called Me and My Jackets, where we basically focus on what to wear when we're out there. When we're outdoors doing things like hiking, trekking, climbing, skiing, camping, fishing, snowboarding, sailing, trail running, mountain biking, right? All that fun stuff. What to wear to help keep us warm and dry and comfortable when we're out there. So tons of information here. We look at all different major companies, what they have to offer. We look into all different, layers and sunglasses, right? Because sunglasses are a big part of being outdoors. It really helps to help keep you comfortable, when we're out there. Lots of nice information here. On this channel, we have well over 600 videos right now, and they're all broken up into different categories in the playlist section here. So if you're looking for something specific, like more videos on Serengeti sunglasses, for example, well, you can go up to the playlist here on my YouTube channel, pull up the Serengeti playlist, and have all my Serengeti sunglasses videos, right? So we have everything broken up into different companies, into different products, right? Like jackets, base layers, down insulated jackets, hard shells, so on and so on and so on. So lots of cool stuff here. Please take some time, take a look around. As I said, I hope that there's some stuff here that can really help you out. This channel can become a really good resource for you. And we go into quite some depth into all these different products and explaining to you what they're all about. So again, thank you very much for watching today. I really do appreciate all your support. Hopefully we'll see you back. I'll be doing a lot more videos for you. So thank you again for your time today, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.